right shoulder.
Okay.
And I could not lift my arm up past shoulder level without being in severe pain.
Sure. And how long had you been dealing with that problem before you sought help?
Probably nearly a year.
Okay.
I saw an orthopedist.
Okay, yep. And what did he do to you or tell you?
Well, after x-rays and all, he decided that it was a rotator cuff tear.
Okay, all right. And what did he propose that you needed?
Surgery.
Okay, all right. And so did you guys schedule that surgery?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Well, actually, they had recommended that I see a physical therapist that I would be working with following surgery.
I see.
And someone at church had recommended that I see you.
Okay. And so you called to set that up for after the surgery.
Yes.
And
And she said, I think he wants to see you before, so he can gauge what you are before and then after.
okay, good. All right. So you came in before, and what do you remember about that first visitor?
Well, it was amazing. When I came in, you had me go through some little exercises, and at that time, you decided that it was more in my neck. That was where the pain was coming from. It was not my shoulder.
Okay. And what made us? Do you remember what made us convinced that there seems to be something going on with the neck that's affecting your arm to be able to raise?
Yes, because you had me do some exercises, chair exercises, and it was immediate relief.
Okay.
Immediate. I could raise my arm immediately up over my head with no pain. Well, I decided if I can do this, I don't need surgery.
Okay, fair enough. All right. And so you postponed the surgery?
Yes,
Okay.
reluctantly, because I was having it early the next morning, and I didn't really think I could. I thought, I just can't do this, but I did.
Yeah.
That day,
Yeah.
I mean, I knew.
I remember it.
I'm not going through surgery if I can get this kind of relief.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
And I was so thankful I did.
So how long ago was that? Do you remember?
I think about 3 years ago.
All right. So 3 years later, how are you?
Wonderful. It never hurts me. Never. If I feel any tension or any slight tightness, I will do them, and it just relieves all the pain.
Okay, so
I'm not limited in any way.
okay, all right. And you're functioning well without any symptoms.
Yes, amazing. I mean, I think anyone would want to avoid surgery, especially that type of surgery. There's quite a lengthy recovery. So if you can be pain-free with just minimal exercises, why not?
Yeah.
It's amazing to me, and you can fix yourself.
Yeah.
If you really get to feeling bad at different times, your body's going to try to go back to that same position. And if you can do those and fix yourself, which I can do, and anyone could do if they listen carefully and work at it, very, very minimal time spent though.